in which areas does it rain more? So look at the northernmost part of the Brazil. Here in the northernmost part, you will find there a dark blue color tint. This dark blue color tint indicates the highest rainfall in Brazil. And this particular region is nothing but the Amazon River Basin, where maximum rainfall is received. The next question. From which directions are winds flowing towards the Brazil? Now again look at the map. In this map you can find that the directions of the wind which flow in Brazil is southeast and northeast. So southeast and northeast are the directions through which these winds come towards they flow towards the Brazil. Now what could be the reason behind that? Why these winds blow only from southeast and northeast? Now the reason behind this is, we all know that the northern part of Brazil lies to the equator. Again, as the position of Brazil is next to the equator, therefore a low pressure belt is created near the equator. Due to this low pressure belt, you will find the winds move from they flow from the southeast and the northeast directions of this country. The next question. What could be the obstruction in the way of these winds? So children, in the physiography lesson, we studied that Brazil has the highest mountain ranges, known as the Great Escarpment and the Brazilian Highlands. So the answer is, the Great Escarpment and the Brazilian Highlands are the reason behind being the obstruction for these winds. Okay, they come in the way of these winds. Which type of rainfall occur because of these winds? Now because of the Great Escarpment region as well as the Brazilian highland, it obstructs the flowing wind which flows towards the Brazil, and that's why the type of rainfall received in Brazil is orographic. Again, you have studied in earlier classes what is meant by orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall means rainfall which is received by the obstruction caused by mountains or hills. So here the Great Escarpment and the Brazilian Highlands are the mountainous region which obstructs these winds, and therefore Brazil receives rainfall.